Hi everyone, this is Toiba from Toy Lab Creations. Today I'm going to be making a very easy scarf pattern. So for this pattern I'm going to be needing 6.0mm hook and worsted weight yarn. So to start, I'm going to make a slip knot and I'm going to chain up for the length of the scarf. The scarf is going to be 60 inches long, so I'm going to go ahead and make a chain of 211. So just go ahead and chain 211 and I'll join you at the end of my chains. So I've chained up 211. Now I'm going to skip the first chain from the hook, then yarn over, insert my hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook, pull the first loop through the remaining 2. So that's a yarn over slip stitch. That's the stitch I'm going to be using for this pattern. So let me do that again. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook, pull the first loop through the remaining 2. So just keep repeating that across the row. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull the first loop through the remaining 2. So let me do that one more time. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on our hook, pull the first loop through the remaining 2. So that's the yarn over slip stitch. I'm just going to keep repeating that across. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I release new videos. So just keep doing your yarn over slip stitches and I'll join you at the end of the row. So I've made it to the end of the row. I have 210 yarn over slip stitches. So moving on to row 2 now, I'm going to chain 1, turn, then I'm going to go into the back loop only, yarn over, go into the back loop only of the very first stitch, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook, pull the first loop through the remaining 2. So I'm just going to keep repeating that across the row. Yarn over, go into the back loop only, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook, pull the first loop through the remaining 2. So I'm just going to be working into the back loops only across, making our yarn over slip stitches into each stitch. So I'll just keep doing that and I'll join you at the end of the row. So I'm through with row 2. So moving on to row 3, I'm going to chain 1, turn, yarn over, insert my hook into the back loop only, yarn over, pull through, pull the first loop through the remaining 2. So basically I'm just going to repeat row 2 again. So just keep repeating row 2 over and over again till you get to row 27, and I will join you on row 27. So I made it to row 27. You can see the ribbed effect on the scarf. So I just chained 1 and cut my yarn. I'm going to weave in my hand later. So the scarf is 60 inches long and about 8 inches wide. You can find the written pattern in my Ravelry, Etsy and Lovecraft stores, and the free written pattern is available on my blog. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.